my friends, I want to show you the finished product. Isn't it beautiful? I put it in this floater frame temporarily to see how it will look. It's a black with gold. I get it at Jerry's Artorama. I love the combination of the gold with the black. Well, I have some, before I show you how I painted this, I have some exciting news for you. I'm going to be releasing to YouTube, free of charge, my online course in which I teach you how to blend this fluid art with macrame fiber, make wonderful wall hangings, and I just figured, I don't know, the older you get, sometimes you just want to simplify things and just give out as a blessing to people. So I decided I'm not going to be selling it anymore. I'm just going to give it away free here on YouTube. So I'll probably be releasing two, part 1, part 2, part 3, there's many parts to it. 2 videos a week. And I'll also be doing fluid art and releasing those mixed in with those. Maybe starting next week, I'll start releasing them until the course is all complete. And I hope you join me. Anyway, let's see how I painted this beautiful painting. Today we're going to be doing a triple bloom, or at least we will be attempting to do so, because I've been having a problem. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, on keeping part of the 2 blooms here. So we'll try again. We'll try, keep practicing. That's what we do in art, right? We just keep practicing. So let me tell you about our colors. I have by Golden, Turquoise Phthalo, beautiful blue. By Amsterdam, greenish yellow. By Golden, Quin Magenta. 24 karat gold. This is a custom blue. I wanted it just kind of like a medium blue. And Amsterdam Red Violet. We'll be using black oxide cell activator. So my cell activator I'll be using is Prussian blue mixed with oxide black. Very dark blue. Okay. All right. My pillow paint. It's a new can of Multi-Pro PPG. Let's put some on. Okay, I think that's enough. Oops, scoot over a little bit. Okay, let's start with Turquoise Phthalo. Did I open it? Turquoise Phthalo. And by Amsterdam, our yellowish green. Quinacridone Magenta by Golden. .24 karat gold by Deco Art. And we have our custom blue. And we'll end with Amsterdam Red Violet. Now I've used these colors before and it turned out like this, if you can see. So I wanted to get a mixture of the blues and purples. So let's see if it'll turn out like that. Okay, let's use our cell activator, which is Prussian blue mixed with black. Australian Floetrol. I'm gonna use my flower blow dryer. Okay, I'll stick with that. Got the purples and the greens, and that's what I wanted. Okay, let's start again. Whoops. A little sloppy there. Pretty cells there. And last is our red violet. Okay, cell activator. And I see a few bubbles, so I'm gonna pop them. Okay. And let's go again. Okay. All right. So what I'm seeing is, so most of this will be off. So I'm going to be looking at what is going on here, closest to this bloom. This one should be out a little bit more, so I'm just gonna move it down a little bit. Loving this. I hope I get to keep this. All right. Nice colors going on here. So I'm happy with that. Let's see, I don't want it. Don't want it to go flying off. So let me spread around some of the paint down there. Pretty colors. Let's see, that might be a little too much black. Let's see if I can, what should I use? It's hard to do with gloves on, but. Get a napkin. Oh well. Okay, here we go. Let's spin this out. I shouldn't have done that, you know, because that's not going to look nice, and I'm not sure if I'll be keeping any of that, but I shouldn't have done that. So let me just put a little color through that. Okay, that helps. I had just put a little of that blue through there. All right, let's spin it. Good spin. Ooh, pretty. Like, that's nice. Now, let's see. I don't want to lose any more of this, really, so I'm going to scoot this over a little more. Like that. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Lost some of the color, but I'm loving the colors. I think I'd like a little bit of this copper off. I wonder if I could do that. Might need to spin that out to get that going. Okay, it came off good. Oh, this is pretty. Really pretty colors. I wish I would have had a little more color here, but I'm not sure what this is right here. See, that's the blue line that I had put, and it just shows a little bit. That's okay. Okay, I'm happy with this. And you know what? I'm going to go again. I want to do another one. It's so pretty. I really like these colors. So, yeah. All right. Well, God bless you. I'm going to get you down for a close-up. Pop a few bubbles I see here. And then I'm going to work on another one. Same color palette, same exact thing. We'll try again.